Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools. AllProWebTools also has an awesome way a person can schedule a time with you from your website to your calendar, and they can pick from different people in your company to schedule appointments with. I'm now going to tell you all about how you can set up the products in your website that shows the times for customers to schedule an appointment with one of your employees with the products that you offer. So before we do anything, we're going to need to set up our business hours so Google Calendar knows what days and times to automatically block out. To do that, we're simply going to hover over Settings and then click on Company Information. Here, you can see all the different tabs where you can enter your company's information. We're going to click on the Business Hours tab. Here, we can set our business hours. After you enter your information, just hit Save. Here you can say, if you just click on these, it turns them on or off. It says you're open or closed, and you can set the different times. So just hit Save. And now that you've set your business hours, and you've already had the chance to integrate your company calendar as well as set up each calendar with your employees in the last video, as seen here, I have my two employees, Jasmine and John, and they each have their calendars. We're now going to learn how to create your products. Step 1. With the calendar, we need to set up a variation. So we're going to hover over Store and click on Variations. Here, we're going to add a new variation. You can name it whatever you want. This is going to be instructors. You can add a precedence if you want, if you have multiple. Here, I'm going to put John as one employee and Jasmine as my other. I'm going to click Save. So now that that's saved, I have my variations. So now we're going to go to Store and Products, and we're going to create a new product. We have to make sure that the category is classes and that the product type is calendar. You can select hourly if you would like. And here I'm going to pick the entire company's email. You can edit the user's emails in a quick second. So here, the name, I'm going to call this. Here you can set the price. It's $65. Cost of goods sold, and you're going to click Save. So now that you're in here, you're in your product. You can see here that the main calendar is your company calendar. It's hourly, and you can set how long each session is for. Here I say 1 hour, and each session is $65. You can add other information in here as you see fit, but if you would like to add the specific employees' emails, you're going to click on Variations, and you're going to click here, and you know the variation that we just created, instructors. You're going to click on that one, and you're going to add the variation. So as you can see here, they added my employees that I had created. So I have Jasmine and John. In here, I can edit each of them to specify those appointments with them specifically. Here, you can see all these tabs for the Jasmine one-on-one. You're going to click on Basics. And here you can make sure that their calendar is on here and how long their session will be. I'm going to say that Jasmine's session is actually 2 hours long. So that means that hers is going to cost more money. And then you just hit Save. After doing that, you're going to go back to your products, back to the Create a Gift Basket, the one that you had just made. And if you see your variations, you can see here the edits that I made on Jasmine's. And now we're going to go and edit John's, just so we make sure his calendar is connected. Go back to Basics, scroll down, and you see here his session is going to be 1 hour long. And as you see here, his calendar is John. And then you just click Save. So now, as a buyer, I can go into the company's website and purchase a class with a specific employee. Once I pay for it, it will automatically put it into Google Calendar for that employee. As you can see here in the Google Calendar, this is our company calendar. There are already 2 different appointments here. So it looks like Jasmine has an appointment with Eli on Friday the 19th from 11 to 1. And here, John has an appointment with Eli from 12:30 to 1:30. So now that once we create an appointment, we're going to be able to see them pop up here. So we're going to go back in here, and we're going to go to products from our website. And now that we put it underneath classes, you're going to click on that. And you can see here that we created the gift basket, and it's right here. You can click on it. And now we have both instructors, Jasmine and John, and both of their calendars are integrated into it. And when you click on them, their calendar pops up. Now, if we click on John's, we see the times that he is available, which is perfect because once we go back into here, we see that John is available all day Friday, but he's not available between 12:30 and 1:30 on Thursday. So now, once we select a time that we wanted to make an appointment with him, we simply say schedule now. And if we wanted to make another appointment, let's say with Jasmine, we continue shopping, go back to classes, go back to that class, and we can schedule one with Jasmine. We just select a day and a time. Schedule now, and they're both right here. So you go to checkout, and now here we get the thank you page with with an option even to click on your invoice. So now that we have that, we're going to go back to the calendar, and we can see right here that they popped up. So the integration with the calendar worked with each employee, and now they're able to see that they got scheduled a class with Eli Barnstein. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, make sure to hit that like button, the notification bell, and to keep updated on when we post more videos, subscribe. We love feedback, so drop a comment below and we will get back to you. Your support here at AllProWebTools means the world to us. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.